So I am at the point where I'm ready to get the engine back on, but since the engine is painted and it's going to be going on to the block, while the engine's off, it's going to just make it easier for me to try and clean some of this stuff up. I'm not going to try and clean all the way, all the way down, all the way down. Just probably, right up to here, clean these up because I have to put new tie rods on. This is just this side. I'm getting started kind of late and it's warmed up a bit, but it's just been cold anyways, so let's get you set up. I have just a very tiny bit of engine degreaser left over. I'm hoping it'll just get this area here just enough. Alright, just clean some of this stuff. The reason why I'm not going to try to clean everything up is this is going to take me a long time. I got to get that engine on here because you can see rust is already starting to get on there now. Yeah, there ain't much left in this at all. It's oil. So much oil. It's spilling over and stuff. I'm not even sure why I decided to paint the engine. I should have just left it alone. I know a lot of people are going to sit there and say, oh, I'd be taking that all apart. Yeah. I don't feel like it. I'm not one of those type of people who likes to do things fast, because I've noticed that sometimes when you hurry up and get things done really quick, somehow or another, most likely you'll screw up on something. You'll break something, or I'm just one of those very slow, take your time type of person. And I've switched from that degreaser, which, like I said, I have very little. A couple more squirts and it's gonna be gone. It's just palm olive in the water. By the way, I'm not going to, but if someone else is doing this, because I just noticed something kind of flipped in my face, might want to try and wear some safety glasses. Not gonna do that yet. That's gonna take a while. See that grease? That's been on there 50 years. Honestly, I chose a drill instead of a grinder because with a drill you have more control over the speed that it goes. So that's my own take on it. So, first we're gonna, this is before, you can see how much I've done so far. This is before. I had a head camera. That way I'm looking at, you guys can look right at. Hey, that's an idea. Everybody out there wants to improve my video taking. You can either send me one or do nothing. Yeah. That's a lot of oil. Hit right here or on top, whichever. Whoa. Don't you hate it when one of your legs falls asleep and when you're laying on it and you try and move and it doesn't want to move? Change to more of a cone, not a rush. Try this, see what happens. I ordered one of these cables from Amazon. They didn't work worth a crap. purple stuff. Throw this whole thing in if I didn't think I'd be able to get it back together. Lots of crap on here.